Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. And in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can turn on suggest your account to the others profile or others. Okay, maybe when other people use their mastodon app, so they will notice that your profile on their timeline. Okay, it's like a recommendation. So how can you turn this option on mastodon app? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So you can see here mastodon social app. So click on your mastodon app, then go to here the settings option, right top corner on your screen, this one. Just click on this and scroll down a little bit. Then here you can see the option account settings, this one. Just click on this and click here three line, also top right corner on your screen. So click on this and click profile, this one. Click profile, then scroll down a little more. Then here you can see the option allow your account to be discovered by strangers through recommendation, trends, and other feature. So when you tick on the box, then after that other people see your profile, and then they maybe uh, follow you or add your friend to their time list. Then you can easily turn this on. Okay friend, today is no more, and please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.